Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix app stopped working and crashing error on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your app keeps crashing and it does not work properly on your Android device, then there can be multiple ways that can fix your issue. The first thing to do is to close off all of the applications that are running on your Android background. Simply close it off, and the next thing to do is to restart your Android system. Hold the power button and tap on the restart option. Once you reboot your system, the next thing to do is to check for your Android software updates. If you've not updated your Android device to the latest version, you might go through this issue. So, simply go open up Settings from your Android. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the Software Update button. Give it a tap and tap on Download and Install in order to check if there is any updates available for your mobile device. If there is an update available, you'll be able to see it right here. Simply download and install the latest update. If your software is up to date, move on to the next step. The next thing to do is to try freeing up some storage space on your Android device. If there is not enough storage available on your Android, then you might go through this issue. So go and tap Open Settings from your Android and search for Apps option, give it a tap, and go and find any application that you no longer want to use, and tap on the Uninstall button to remove unwanted applications and games from your Android device. Once you tap on Uninstall, confirm your selection by tapping OK in the pop-up and uninstall any application you no longer use in order to free up some storage space. You can also try clearing your cache for the application that is crashing on your Android. From your Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps again, and from the list of the apps, go ahead and find the application that is crashing or not working on your Android phone. Once you do that, this will open up the app info page of the particular app. Tap on Storage from the options and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right. Once you clear out your cache data, you might be able to solve your issue. If nothing else works out, simply check if any application permission is disabled on your Android device. Go tap Open Settings one more time, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find the application that is crashing on your Android device and give it a tap. Now, tap on Permission option from the App Info page and make sure that all of the necessary permission has been allowed for the application. Go ahead and find one of the permission and tap on Allow. Repeat this step for other options as well. And once you do that, you'll be able to solve your issue right away. Those were some of the easiest fixes on whenever your application stops working and crashing on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.